In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and safely remove the front bumper on a third-generation Kia Cerato, also known as the Kia Forte in some markets. Make sure to watch the entire video without skipping any steps. Missing even a small detail could result in broken clips or damaged mounting points during removal. Let's get started. First, open the hood. Along the top edge of the bumper, you'll find 4 10mm bolts. Using a ratchet with a 10mm socket, remove all 4 bolts and set them aside. Once they're removed, we can move to the sides of the vehicle. Turn the steering wheel fully to either the left or the right to create enough space to access the wheel well. Inside the fender liner, you'll find 1 10mm bolt securing the bumper to the fender. Remove this bolt with your ratchet. Repeat exactly the same procedure on the opposite side of the vehicle so that both sides of the bumper are completely free. Now you can gently pull the side of the bumper outward to release it from the retaining clips. As you can see, it comes off quite easily when pulled in the correct direction. Let me give you a closer look at the inside so you can clearly see how the bumper is attached to the guide bracket and how the retaining clips are positioned. Understanding this mounting system will help you avoid breaking the clips during installation or removal. Repeat the same process on the other side by carefully pulling the bumper outward until it releases from the guide. Next, we'll move underneath the vehicle. To make access easier, lift the front of the car with a jack or place it securely on jack stands. From underneath, remove all of the bolts, screws, and plastic clips that secure the lower edge of the bumper and the engine splash shield. On my vehicle, several of these fasteners were already missing because they had been removed before I started this repair. However, on your vehicle, make sure to remove every fastener holding the lower section of the bumper in place. Once all of the upper, side, and lower fasteners have been removed, the bumper is ready to come off. The bumper is light enough to remove by yourself. But before pulling it away completely, don't forget to disconnect the fog light connectors if your vehicle is equipped with fog lights. If your connectors look like these, simply press the locking tabs on both sides and pull the connector straight out. After disconnecting the wiring, you can completely remove the front bumper. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, the job is quick and straightforward when you know where every fastener is located. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the repair tutorials on the channel. See you in the next video!